first time, click that red button to subscribe, and also when you subscribe, click on the blue bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys how to make your own vitamin C serum from the comfort of your own kitchen. A whole lot of people do understand that vitamin C is the principle that propels the skin, the collagen, to boost the collagen production. It's known to be the fibroblast that will help to bring out the collagen, brighten up your skin, eliminate age spots, diminish wrinkles, makes your skin supple, makes you look younger. Everything about healthy looking skin comes from vitamin C. Vitamin C is not none other. Vitamin C comes from the orange and from the lemon and the citrus that we eat every day. But yet, vitamin C serum is very expensive and not a whole lot of people can afford to get vitamin C. Now, so I will tell you what you will not make this from the lemon rind and the orange rind from your kitchen, because it is already exposed too much to the sunlight, and sunlight will make it oxidated, and once it's oxidated, the strength gets diminished, and then it ruins the purpose of you doing this vitamin C serum or using vitamin C serum. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to make you vitamin C serum just from the kitchen. So what we need here is distilled water. I will be using 4 tablespoons of distilled water. This here equals to 4 tablespoons of distilled water. So I will put it into this jar. Everything is washed and sterilized. This is raw vitamin C. You can pick it up from Amazon or from any company that sells skincare. So I picked this up from Amazon. So this is raw vitamin C. It looks like sugar or it looks like salt. So I will be using 1 teaspoon of ascorbic acid, which is known as vitamin C. So I'm going to cover it here. So I'll put it into this here. Once you have it in here, you have to mix it. You're gonna mix it for at least good 1 minute until it becomes clear like water. So let's go ahead and mix this vitamin C. After good 1 minute, it's almost as clear as regular water. The next thing you need is vegetable glycerin. You need vegetable glycerin to help propel the collagen production and to help diminish wrinkles and make your skin supple. I will use 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin goes in here. Make sure you have these spoons. You can get them from dollar store. And you want to mix everything together. It becomes even more clearer, just like the regular water we drink. Boy, I was looking online and I see some vitamin C serums that they're selling for $200, even as far as $1,000. I don't know what they put in that vitamin C, but the secret to keeping the strength and maintaining the strength of vitamin C is to put it in a dark bottle. You can use brown bottle or navy blue bottle. This is one of my old bottles from one of my products that I used to sell in Amazon. So this is already clean and sterilized. So you want to pour your vitamin E in here, vitamin C in here. Yes. So after you have done your vitamin C Remember to tuck it away from the sunlight, because this is where the oxidation comes in and it depletes the strength of vitamin C. So put it under your cupboard, put it somewhere that you will not, that the sunlight cannot get to that. Most importantly, if you have good fridge, your makeup fridge or your moisturizer cream in your bedroom, tuck it away inside that fridge, or just in a room temperature where the sunlight will not get to that. So guys, you have your vitamin C serum. Waste no more money. I will leave the link where you can get all your raw products from Amazon, and I will leave you guys now, and thank you for stopping by. Remember to share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Au revoir. Okay, good.